Hello, I'm Kris. I'm with Republic Manufacturing, and I'm here today to talk to you about some of our controls solutions. We can start out with something like a basic starter, all the way up to a complex HMI, PLC, VFD cabinet, or anything in between. If you work with our team of experts, what we'll do is we'll look at your application and we'll quote up the appropriate package that fits that need. So behind us today, we have a system that has a couple of VFDs inside. It's got an HMI. The disconnects here allow you to turn off the power to one or the other drives and allow the other drive to stay on. This could be used for service or maintenance while you need your system to keep running. We've also got some hand-off auto switches. So if I put it in hand, it turns the drive or pump on. If I turn it to off, it turns it off. And if I put it to auto, it's going to run from whatever the program tells it to do. So let's get inside the box. In here, you'll see the disconnects, a couple VFDs. We've got the HMI, PLC. There's also some fans and a thermostat. So this cabinet is set up to be outside. If the temperature gets too hot, it'll turn the thermostat, will turn the fans on and help cool it down. It's also special because this cabinet's set up to take single-phase power in and convert that single-phase power to three-phase power, allowing us to run standard three-phase blowers. And what's nice about that is we can run a whole myriad of different sizes. So whether you have a small blower, a large blower, and all your site has a single phase, we can do that conversion for you with the VFDs. The program that's running on here will also allow the blowers to run at different speeds. So for an example, in this situation, we're going to turn one blower on for 18 hours. We're going to run it at a faster speed. We're going to turn the other blower on after that blower shuts off. We're going to run it for 6 hours at a lower speed. Then what we're going to do is we're actually rotate the two blowers, and that way we get equal runtime on each blower. So this is just one of many solutions that we can quote. Please contact us. We'd love to help you out. Thank you.